5 tips to make hard work feel easy in 2025. Samurai method. Hard work is something most people run from. But what if you could make it feel effortless, like second nature? In today's video, we're going to dive into 5 powerful tips inspired by the mindset of the samurai to help you make hard work feel easy in 2025. The samurai weren't just warriors of the body, they mastered the mind, the spirit, and the discipline of relentless progress. Let's get into it. First, master single-point focus. The samurai called it zanshin, the state of relaxed alertness. In the modern world, distractions are everywhere. If you want hard work to feel lighter, commit to one task at a time with total immersion. Don't multitask. Don't scatter your energy. When you give yourself fully to one action, you enter a flow state where time fades, and work feels like a natural extension of yourself. For the samurai, it was swordsmanship. For you, it might be your business, your craft, or your study's saying principle. Second, embrace small, daily rituals. The samurai didn't train once in a while, they had daily practices. Small, consistent habits build an unstoppable foundation. Whether it's writing, working out, studying, or honing your craft, do it every day, even for just 15-30 minutes. Consistency shrinks the weight of hard work over time. The task stops feeling hard because it's simply what you do. Third, detach from outcomes. This is crucial. Samurai warriors understood that attachment to victory or fear of failure clouds the mind. Their method was fudoshin, the immovable mind. You work hard because it's who you are, not because you're obsessed with rewards. In 2025, detachment is your superpower. Focus on the process, not the result. When you let go of pressure and just do, hard work loses its heaviness. Fourth, train your body to train your mind. Samurai philosophy was rooted in the unity of body and spirit. Modern science backs this up. Physical training sharpens your mental resilience. Whether through martial arts, strength training, running, or calisthenics, building physical discipline makes all forms of work easier. When you voluntarily put yourself through physical challenges, everyday hard work feels mild in comparison. And finally, cultivate Bushido, the way of the warrior, which means embracing duty, honor, and purpose. The samurai didn't need motivation quotes. Their sense of duty made action automatic. In 2025, align your work with a higher purpose. When your work serves a mission bigger than yourself, your family, community, craft, or legacy, the struggle feels meaningful, not burdensome. Purpose transforms hard work into honor. So to recap, laser-like focus on one task, small daily rituals, detachment from outcomes, physical training, and purpose-driven work. These 5 samurai methods will make hard work feel light, natural, and even enjoyable this year. Adopt even one of them and you'll feel the shift. Adopt all 5 and you'll be unstoppable.